We are working on the Pfaff Performance 5.2 and helping you master the needle threader. Now, most all Pfaffs work the same similar way, so if you have a different model, you will be able to follow along no problem. Now, one thing that you can do is actually lower this presser foot if you feel like that will give you a little bit more visual room. In here, I'm going to do that just so you can see it a little bit better. Might help you with your fingers if you're having any trouble there. So first off, let's do it without the thread in the needle threader. So as you bring this down with your left hand, you see that there is a spring, and as you push all the way down, there's kind of a little head that rotates towards you around the needle. You need to make sure that you're not just pushing down a little bit, you need to push down all the way. There's a little hook from the back side that's coming forward, and it's going to get a hold of this thread and pull it through. So if you don't push it all the way in, well, the hook doesn't get all the way through the eye of the needle. Now, if you can't see the eye of the needle, you can only imagine how small a little hook there is on this needle threader, which also means that if you don't do it correctly or your needle's not high enough and the needle eye is not lined up and you try to use this, you'll kind of bend it out of shape. So if you ever get it bent, you might just have your local Pfaff store help center it if you can't see it yourself, but that can happen from time to time. All right, so what you want to do is I bring it down about halfway on the left side here. Take my thread and hook it underneath this little guide. Push down all the way, not part of the way, all the way. Then place the thread in the little groove and push back and up. Now I'm not going back towards the back of the machine, I'm just kind of coming up, but I'm gently holding on to it because the needle threader needs to pull it out of my hand. If I hold on too tight over here, well, it can't pull it through. Small little loop will come out the back of the needle. You just reach right through and pull it in, and that is how easy it is. So let's do it one more time. So from the top, pull down halfway, slip it underneath there, push down all the way on the needle threader, go in the little groove, lift up, and then let it pull it out of your hands, and then the loop is there for you to pull through. Lift up the presser foot, slide the thread down the middle of the foot, and you're ready to start to sew.